What's good, everybody? It's your boy, the iconic Demon Joe. Yeah, music's lit. Got Drake in the background. Woohoo. So I'm up, I'm awake, I'm alive. Thank God, I know. See, when you wake up, that's already a W. See this right here? Elite. I am the elite, okay? I will always be the elite, okay? So, YouTube update yesterday, yeah. So, I'm no longer phenomenal. Glorious. Broken, yes. I don't need to, do the version 1 more, delete anyone anymore. So, this summer, I'm getting a job, guys. So, yeah, that's pretty good. It's pretty good. I mean, good and bad at the same time, but I mean, I guess I get to upload more, I get to do more stuff for you guys, for the fans. I look like Kyle's bike for a minute. So, told you 3 words yesterday. Redesign, rebuild, and claim. I was away from traffic. Redesign, rebuild, and claim. Not reclaim. Because I already reclaimed what I have never lost, and that was the Intercontinental Championship. A 4-time Intercontinental Champion. Like a 30-time hardcore champion. Sadly, I will not mention this in any more videos. I'm like a 40-time loserweight champion, but that shit's 24 hours, so I could pin anyone to become, in order. So, shit. Hardcore champion, Intercontinental champion, former TLC tag team champion. Damn, I smell mac and cheese. Shit. What's better for you guys? Like this? Like this? Or like this? Change on the bottom. You know what happens to trains that annoy me during my videos? You guys already know. You know what happens? No train, you're on the list. Okay? Blah, blah, blah. Fuck you, unsubscribe for those haters. I hate you haters, okay? I do this for me, not for the haters, okay? I do this for me and the people that actually love to see this content. Daily, or whenever. Today, guess what, boys? Guess what, guys? I'm gonna be recording some gameplay. Yeah. I know it's lit. It's lit. Recording some gameplay. Yeah, beeping. It's delicious when it's perfect, I know. So, redesign, rebuild, reclaim. Not reclaim, okay? I claimed it. I need a claim. I need to go up there and grab that brass ring this weekend. It's a main eventer for me. Finally giving myself a main event push. No, I'm the Raw GM. I should have had a main event push. Who gives a shit? Getting a main event push. WWE Universal title opportunity. This is like basically my one chance. So, yeah. So, our chairman, he vacated the IC title and the Universal title. I had to fight my girlfriend to become the Intercontinental Champion. That's sad. I didn't want to fight her. So I'm like, why can't I fight you, Josh? But But it's height. It's height. Alright then. That's what I said. So I fought her and I became an Intercontinental Champion. The 4-time Intercontinental Champion. See what I want now? I want the Universal title. I want my tag team titles back. That I still haven't got my rematch for. You know who you are. Ugh. I'm gonna cross the street right here. I'm gonna get something from the deli. When I go in that deli, put this camera down, close it. I'm gonna add this. Hold on. So, this is my short little vlog. Peace out, guys.